Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering WASSCE 2018 Mathematics Past Question 15. A piece of thread of length 21.4 cm is used to form a sector of a circle of radius 4.2 cm on a piece of cloth. Calculate correct to the nearest degree the angle of the sector. Take pi to be equal to 22 all over 7. A, we're given 170 degree, B 177 degree, C 182 degree, and D 192 degree. So the question is asking us that our answer should be in the nearest degree. Now, since the length of the thread used to form this sector is 21.4 cm, we can therefore say the perimeter of this sector is equals to 21.4 centimeter. And we know that the formula for finding the perimeter of a sector is given as theta all over 360 multiplied by 2 pi r plus 2r. Let me just represent this. Let's say we have a circle like this, and this is the center of the circle. Now this is the what? This is the segment. So the perimeter of this circle is what? Here plus here. That is the radius plus this radius. That's where we got this 2r from. Then plus the length of the arc. Now this is the formula for finding the length of the arc. So perimeter of a circle simply given as the length of arc plus 2 times the radius. So 2 times this radius, this is the radius, this is the radius, then plus the length of arc give us the perimeter of a sector. So from this we can now say this is equals to 21.4 centimeter, and we're given that the r radius is equals to what? 4.2 cm. So with this we can find the what? We can find the angle of this sector, which is theta. So we have that theta all over 360 multiplied by 2 times 22 all over 7 multiplied by 4.2 plus 2 times 4.2 is equal to 21.4. Now from this we can say 2 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 4.2 will give us 184.8. So we can say 184.8 theta all over. Now 360 times 7 will give us 2520. 2520 plus, now 2 times 4.2 will give us 8.4 is equals to 21.4. Now from this we can simply say 184.8 theta all over 2520 is equals to 21.4 minus 8.4. Now from this we have that what? 184.8 theta all over 2520 is equals to 13. Now when you cross multiply, we'll have 184.8 theta is equals to 13 multiplied by 2520, and 184.8 theta will be equal to 32,760. So therefore theta is equals to 32,760 all over 184.8, and this is equals to 177.27 degree. But remember the question says to the nearest degree, and so this will be equals to approximately 177 degree, and that is option B, 177 degree. Thank you and God bless you. And subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.